Welcome to J2EE tutorials. In this tutorial, we can see what is the difference between request parameters, session parameters, and context parameters. So we can start up with web application here. So right click on the project tab and go for the new project. And this is Java web and web application. So click on the next. So here I can go for difference in REQ, ACS, and context object. Next, and click on next and go for the finish. Here we have created with one web application. So that application is presented with index.jsp initially. So here in the index.jsp, what I will do is I can go for form tag, form action equals to my servlet, and method is supposed to be get. The next thing is I'll go with input type equals to text and name equals to username and break. So I'll put input type equals to submit and value equals to again submit. I'll take username here. That's it. So save this and run this application. And this is what actually the web application we have created. So if I put name here and press submit, it will take me to the my servlet, which is not available right now. So we can go and create the servlet here. So right click on the web page, go for new and the servlet. So this servlet is supposed to be my servlet. Click on next and add the information to the deployment descriptor and click on finish. So here I was created with the servlet application. So I will remove these comments. That's it. Here what I can do is I can go for string variable, string username, and the string variable is obtaining the data from the Servlet application, JSP application. It's called index.jsp. So using the request dot get parameter, that is supposed to be again username. So here I am checking for the null value here. If username not equal to null and username equal to empty. So if it is not equal to null and if it is not equal to empty, then what I am going to do is I am going to set and session object here. Here I am going for HTTP session object equals to, this is request dot get session and servlet context equals to request dot get servlet context. So I'm importing this servlet context. And once the username and the username is not equal to single quote and null, means once the username is present, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the session object session dot set attribute, that is user, that is name itself, and it is supposed to be user name. And again I'm going for context dot set attribute, again the same thing, name and the user name. So after all these statements I'm going for out dot println. So what I need to do is first of all I will print with the request parameters equals to plus username plus strong tag and break tag. Strong. And the next thing I can go with session parameters. The next one is context parameters. The session parameter is supposed to be session dot get attribute. The attribute name is supposed to be name, and this has to be typecasted into string. The next thing is I can go for context. Context and get attribute is supposed to be name here. So save this application. This is the complete application, and run this. So here my application is running right now, so I will be presented with index.jsp initially, and I am going to put username equals to Amanna, and I am going to submit this one. So here's what happened: request parameter and the session parameter and the context parameter all are same here. This under so all are same. If in this statement, so in this browser, what I will do is I will go for removing this username and press enter. So what happens, I will get the session parameter, but request parameter is not available, so for the different request. So even if this request is from one more tab, means within the browser one more tab, means the same user, so the session parameter is available, the request parameter is not available for the different URLs. So that's nothing but different URLs for the single user. So this session parameter is available for the single user for the different request, and request parameter is available for only the single URL. And let's see what happened to the context parameter. So I'll open one more browser, that is I'm going to go for new window, which is the Internet Explorer here. So copy this code copy this URL from this Chrome browser and put it into this Internet Explorer browser. So press enter. Connect it. Alright, I got request parameter equals to normal, session parameter equals to normal, context parameter is available here. So this is what is the difference between request parameter and the session parameter and context parameters. Basically here, request parameter is available for single user URL and session parameter is available for single user with different URLs. The context parameter is available for different users. This is how what actually the difference between request, session and context parameters. So thanks for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial we can concentrate on more concepts on J2EE.